With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so the question is the time periods of two simple pendulums at a place are in the ratio 2:1. What will be corresponding ratio of their lengths? Alright, so it is given the ratio of their time period is given and we need to find ratio of their lengths. Alright, we know time period is given by 2 pi under root L upon G. So from here we can say T1 equals 2 pi under root L1 upon G. Similarly, T2 will be given by 2 pi under root L2 upon G. Alright, now it is given that time periods ratio is 2:1. That is T1 upon T2 is 2:1. So from here we can write T1 is 2 pi under root L1 upon G and T2 is 2 pi under root L2 under root G. Alright, so from here we can see that T1 upon T2 is equal to under root L1 upon L2 as all the other factors will get cancelled out. Now T1 upon T2 is given to be 2:1. Alright, sorry, it is 2:1. So from here L1 upon L2 will be equal to 4:1. So our final answer is ratio of their length is 4:1. Alright, 4:1. That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.